Yes, good morning children. I hope you understood about the basics in light. So in this session we are going to see in detail about the refraction of light. So observe diagrams and my explanation carefully so that these are the basics about the refraction. You can understand easily. Okay, see, suppose this activity you can do it in our home also. Suppose take a vessel which is having opaque walls, opaque, just like a plastic mug like that. Okay. Now place a 5 rupees coin at the bottom of the mug. Now it just stood at some distance and try to see the coin. Okay. Now are you able to see the coin? Next, what you are going to do? Just move backward from the vessel so that until you did not see the coin with your eyes. See here in first diagram, I have placed a coin at the bottom of the vessel and I am seeing it. How I am seeing it? After reflection of light from coin, the light ray reaches our eye. That's why I am seeing. Now I am moving backward. See the second diagram. This is the first diagram. This is the second diagram. See here. See the distance between eye and the vessel. Here it is very less. That means I am moving somewhat backwards. But the light ray does not reaches me. Why? Why can't light ray move like this? The light rays always travel in straight lines, and you know the Fermat principle. What is it? Light always select a least time path to travel. Light selects a path which takes least time to travel. That is nothing but the Fermat's principle. So based on that, light tries to select a single path only, because this whole thing is a air medium. This medium is completely air. Now see, the light is going in its way, but I am moving back so that it is not reaching my eye. Now to see this coin without moving forward, what we have to do? Now just to fill the vessel with the water. See the blue color, just it appears like that to indicate there is a water. So here the vessel is filled with the water. Now you stood in the same place, you moved backwards somewhat, so stood in the same place. Now you are able to see the coin. That means the coin raises up and it appears to be raised. The coin does not raise up, it appears to be raised. Why? Is there any magic? Nothing is there, because there is a change in medium. This is completely air medium and this is completely water medium, liquid medium. So in each medium, light is trying to select a path which takes least time to travel. That's why in this medium, the first light ray is traveling like this in this path. But this is the interface between the two medium. Now the light is traveling from one medium to another medium. When it is entering from one medium to another medium, in this medium it will also search again what is the least path like that. Like that it will move in this path. Then it is possible to reach our eye. But what we think, what our brain feels that this light ray is coming like this. That's why the coin appears to be raised. Our brain feels that the coin rises up. The coin does not rise up. It appears to be raised. Why? When there is a change in medium, the light chooses a different path to travel based on Fermat principle. What is the Fermat principle? Light selects a path which takes least time to travel. So when the light travels from one medium to another medium, what happens? The basic concept is there is a change in speed of light. Change in speed of light. Remember that the point. So when light travels from one medium to another medium, first thing that is changed is nothing but speed. What is that? Speed. When there is a change in speed, there is a change in direction. When there is a change in speed, it results the change in direction. When there is a change in direction, the light ray appears to be bent. So this bending and traveling is nothing but refraction. That bending and traveling of light is called refraction. Once again I am repeating, see that when light ray travels from one medium to another medium, there is a change in speed of light. When there is a change in speed of light, there is a change in direction. When there is a change in direction, the light ray bends and travels. That bending and traveling is nothing but refraction. Why it is changing when there is a change in medium? I will say simple example. See, you are riding a bicycle on a plain road. After some distance, there is a layer of sand, a thick layer of sand. You didn't observe it. You are going with a particular speed. you didn't observe the layer of sand. When the bicycle enters onto the layer of sand, what happens to the handle? It just shakes or not, shivers, and there is a change in direction. Why? When the medium changes suddenly, there is a change in direction of the handle. Just like that light also, when it travels from one medium to another medium, it changes its speed. Due to the change in speed, it changes its direction. That change in direction results the refraction. But every time we are seeing medium 1, medium 2 like that. Why can't we define two mediums? About the mediums and the speeds of light in the mediums, we will see in the next session.